What differentiates the Ram 1500 TRX from a standard Ram 1500? Under the skin is just about everything. We start with a strengthened frame made of up-gauged, up-yielded materials, all developed to withstand the rigors of everything we can throw at this truck. To that frame, we bolt longer forged aluminum control arms up front, longer stamped steel control arms out back with our 5-link suspension, taller springs, and our Bilstein adaptive dampers. This vehicle is really made to face any obstacle it comes across without demanding any compromises of the driver. The rear axle on the Ram 1500 TRX is basically set up to take a direct missile strike. It is essentially my weight, tacked onto a standard Ram 1500 axle. The Dana 60 has got a 10-inch ring gear, massive floating axle shafts. Essentially, it is designed and has proven itself in durability to be able to survive anything both a punishing customer and a daily driver can throw at it. What we've achieved with the Ram 1500 TRX is a suspension setup that allows us to tie the vehicle down to the pavement when the customer wants to drive hard on terra firma, but also allow travel and plushness over any undulating terrain, over dunes, over rocks, through rivers. This suspension setup has what it takes to overcome all obstacles.